How to change birthday on Cash App. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will simply guide you on how you can actually change your birthday on Cash App, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to change your birthday on Cash App, just open up Cash App over here first. Then you have to tap the profile like icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Then over here, if you scroll, you'll find the option called Accounts and Settings, and in here you'll find Personal. So just tap on the Personal button. As you tap on Personal, here you can see you have the option to add your information and the address, but you don't have the option to actually change your age. Similarly, if you have already verified a Cash App account using a legal document, it will ask you to simply enter your age and your birthday, right? But if you go anywhere else, you can see that we do not have the option to actually change our birthday over here. That is because Cash App does not allow you to directly change your age or your birthday, even if you go to edit profile section here, as you can see. So the only thing that we have at our disposal is to contact the Cash App support team themselves. So open up Cash App, then just tap the profile icon from the top right. Scroll down to the bottom, go to the option called support over here. When you tap on support, you should be able to let them know that by tapping the chat icon over here and then letting them know that you want to simply change your age, and then they should be able to help you with that. So far, this is the only solution I can think of. If you in case do not find it, just contact the support team directly. So hope this video helped you, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.